chaos and creation, the cosmic battles that shaped the universe. Get ready for a fascinating journey into the mysteries of the world's origin, where powerful gods, epic battles, and elemental forces intertwine to create the universe as we know it. From ancient cultures to enigmatic mythologies, the stories of how the cosmos came into being are as varied as the stars in the sky. However, one theme is common across all of them: the clash between chaos and order, a primal struggle that not only shaped the universe, but also defined humanity's fate. Want to understand the myths that shaped our world and transform your perspective on life? Subscribe to the channel now and embark on an epic journey through stories filled with myths that reveal the secrets of chaos and creation. Don't miss any revelations here. The impossible becomes possible. Greek mythology, the fight between chaos and order. Imagine a world without form, where everything is an untamed mass of chaos. This is how the universe began in Greek mythology, with the existence of an absolute void. From this primordial chaos emerged the first gods: Gaia, the earth; Eros, love; and Nyx, night. But the true battle begins when Gaia, with her unstoppable power, gives birth to Uranus, the sky, and together they bring the Titans to life. An immense struggle unfolds, culminating in the victory of Zeus, the king of the gods, who defeats the Titans and restores balance to the cosmos. What seemed like an absolute reign of chaos now transforms into a quest for order, justice, and harmony in the universe. Chaos may have lost, but the struggle continues. Egyptian mythology, the renaissance of chaos. Life emerges from the primordial waters. What if the world were born from total emptiness, from the absolute chaos of water? In ancient Egyptian mythology, everything begins with Nu, the primordial chaos represented by endless, dark waters. Yet, somehow, from the vastness of nothingness, Atum, the creator god, emerges, and with a simple gesture, he creates the sky and the earth. The play of forces doesn't stop there. Atum begets Shu, the air, and Tefnut, the moisture, establishing the balance between earth and sky. But beware, chaos is not defeated. It constantly renews itself through the death and regeneration of divine forces. It is the cycle of life and destruction, a cosmic dance essential for maintaining the universe. Norse mythology, the mortal void and creation, the body of Ymir in combat. In Norse mythology, creation begins with the colossal void of Ginnungagap, where fire and ice collide in a brutal confrontation. The ice melts, giving rise to Ymir, the first giant, from whose body the gods Odin, Vili, and carve out the physical world. The land, the seas, the mountains, and even the sky are shaped from Ymir's remains. And the struggle, it doesn't end. The world was not simply created. It is in a constant state of renewal and destruction. An eternal battle between the gods and the giants' chaotic forces, always seeking to reform. Here, creation is not a one-time event. It is an endless process where balance and chaos are inseparable. Hindu mythology, the infinite cycle of life, creation, preservation, and destruction. Now, imagine an endless cycle. Life, death, rebirth, everything happening simultaneously in a continuous loop. In Hindu mythology, the universe arises from Brahma, the creator, who emerges from cosmic waters. However, the true magic lies in the eternal cycle of creation and destruction, governed by Vishnu, the preserver, and Shiva, the destroyer. Nothing is permanent. With each cycle, the world is recreated, destroying the old to make way for the new. Destruction is not the end, but a doorway to renewal, essential for maintaining the balance and infinite flow of life and death in the cosmos. Japanese mythology, chaos activated, the celestial spear and the creation of the islands. In Japanese mythology, creation also begins with primordial chaos, but with a unique twist. The primordial gods, Izanagi and Izanami, with a celestial spear, stir the waters of chaos, and from the resulting foam, they shape the world. An island emerges, and with it, Japan. Creation is not passive, but an active endeavor by the gods, bringing order and structure to the universe. The land, the islands, and the gods are born from the conflict between the divine and the natural. Here, chaos is not an enemy, but an integral part of the creative process. The legacy of cosmogonies, the struggle for order. In all these mythologies, we see the same powerful theme, the struggle between chaos and order. The epic battles of the gods are not merely ancient stories, they are representations of our daily struggle for harmony in an often chaotic world. Destruction, renewal, rebirth, everything is part of this great cosmic cycle that governs the universe and human existence itself. These stories, these divine battles, are not only meant to help us understand the cosmos, but also to comprehend our own lives. In a world where chaos seems to dominate, these mythologies remind us that order is not only possible, but is the ultimate victory of victory achieved through conflict, renewal, and transformation. And you, are you ready to face chaos and conquer your own harmony? So, are you ready to uncover the mysteries of the universe with us? If you enjoyed this dive into the myths, subscribe now and hit the bell to not miss any story that will transform your worldview. Let's explore the unknown together and find the balance between chaos and creation.